Imagine soaring through the skies at twice the speed of sound, invisible to enemy radars, commanding a swarm of drones like a futuristic air commander. That's the power of the U.S. Air Force's next-generation fighter, the F-47. This isn't science fiction, it's the dawn of sixth-generation air dominance, and it's happening right now. Buckle up, because today on Eaglestrike, we're diving into what makes the F-47 a game-changer that's set to redefine modern warfare. If you're excited about cutting-edge military tech like this, smash that like button and subscribe to Eaglestrike for more deep dives. It really helps us bring you the best content. Let's get into it. Picture this. Back in the early 2000s, the F-22 Raptor ruled the skies as the world's first fifth-generation fighter, stealthy and lethal. But as threats from adversaries like China evolved, the Air Force knew they needed something even more advanced. Enter the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, or NGAD, a bold initiative to build a family of systems that ensures total control of the airspace. Fast forward to March 2025, when President Donald Trump announced Boeing had won the massive contract to develop the F-47, the centerpiece of this program. It's not just a plane, it's a revolution. The F-47 is designed to fly faster than Mach 2, with a combat radius over 1,000 nautical miles, meaning it can strike deep into enemy territory without refueling. Its stealth is next level, making it harder to detect than anything before it. But here's where it gets really exciting. The F-47 isn't flying solo. It's built to team up with collaborative combat aircraft, these unmanned drones that act as loyal wingmen, scouting ahead, jamming signals, or even taking hits to protect the pilot. Imagine a pilot in the F-47 directing a swarm of these AI-powered drones in real time, turning one jet into an entire squadron. That's the storytelling magic of modern air power, from lone wolves to smart packs. Development has been shrouded in secrecy, but we know prototypes have been testing since 2020, racking up flight hours in restricted areas like Edwards Air Force Base. The first full F-47 is already being built, with its maiden flight expected in 2028 and full operations by the 2030s. The Air Force plans to buy at least 185 of these beasts, but experts say they might need up to 300 to counter growing threats in the Pacific. Boeing's winning design beat out competitors, incorporating adaptive engines for better fuel efficiency and power, plus advanced sensors that fuse data from space, air, and ground for unbeatable situational awareness. Think about the challenges it solves. In a world where hypersonic missiles and advanced anti-air systems are everywhere, the F-47's AI-driven systems let it predict and evade threats before they even materialize. It's like having a crystal ball in the cockpit. And the cost? The program is budgeted at over $20 billion, but it's an investment in keeping America ahead. As we wrap up, the F-47 isn't just about speed and stealth, it's about securing the future of air superiority for decades. What do you think? Will the F-47 change warfare forever? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if this got you pumped, share it with a friend who loves aviation tech. Thanks for watching Eaglestrike. See you in the next one.